We're in Tennessee today. We're in Kingsport, Tennessee today. Much larger than Whitesville. And we got our first order, so let's go. Somehow we got roped into doing a shop and deliver, so here we go. We got 2 items. We got to find 2 items. We're at Dollar General. Let's do this. All right, well, that's a little bit disappointing. Their system is down, so they're not accepting any DoorDash orders right now. So I went and found the items, but they couldn't ring me in, so waste of time. Waste of time. Okay, we took a little break. Movie theaters are a great spot to like relax for a few hours when it's really hot outside. So we checked out the live action How to Train Your Dragon. Pretty much the same as the original, but with live action characters. Kind of a weird money grab, if you ask me. This marks an end to our Kingsport day. It's just another town, you know. There's nothing special about it, I don't think. We had a fun day in Kingsport. We made a little bit of money, and we saw How to Train Your Dragon, the live action version. So overall, not a bad day. It's supposed to be really rainy this week, so it should cool off. I'm kind of looking forward to it. So thank you for taking the time to watch, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow.